How to show followers on your Facebook profile in 2025. Want people to see how many followers you have on Facebook? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your follower count visible on your Facebook profile, even in 2025's updated layout. First, open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Now tap the three dots next to Edit Profile to access your profile settings. Scroll down and tap on Followers and Public Content. Here, make sure that Who Can Follow Me is set to Public. This allows people who aren't your friends to follow you. Next, go back to your profile and tap on Edit Public Details. Scroll down to the bottom and look for the Followers section. If it's not showing, tap on Edit Your About Info, and then go to the Details About You section. Here, toggle on the Followers option. This will allow your follower count to appear publicly on your profile, just below your friend count. And that's it. Now everyone who visits your profile will see how many people follow you. Just remember, only people who follow you without adding you as a friend are counted in your follower list. If this helped, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Facebook tips.